Hi everyone, welcome to WP Pocket. In today's video, I will show you steps to create a sticky menu in a WordPress blog. As you can see, currently this blog does not have a sticky menu. You need to download a plugin to create a sticky menu. So go to your dashboard, plugins and click on add new. Then search for the sticky menu. Now you can use any one between these two plugins to create a sticky menu. The advantage of this plugin is it will work for almost anything, but this plugin will work only for the menus. I will show you steps to create a sticky menu using both the plugins. So let's start with this plugin. After installing and activating this plugin, you will see My Sticky Menu in your dashboard. Go to this menu and click on Settings. Now from this drop down menu, you can select the primary menu and click Save. Now go to your website and refresh this page. It will convert your normal menu into a sticky menu. But in case if this option is not working for you, then you need to select other class or ID from this drop down menu. Now you need to enter class or ID of the primary menu to make it sticky. So to find the class or ID, go to your website, right click on the primary menu and click Inspect. Now find the code which is showing the primary menu. As you can see, whenever I taking my mouse cursor over this code, the background color of the primary menu changes to blue, which means this code is showing the primary menu. So double click on this and click copy. Now go back to your dashboard and type dot and paste the class name. And remember, this is the class name. That's why I added dot before the name. If you are pasting the ID name, then remember to add hash before the name instead of dot. Now click Save. Now go back to your website and refresh this page. As you can see, sticky menu is still working. Now I will show you steps to create a sticky menu using the second plugin. So I am going to deactivate this plugin. Install and activate this plugin. After that, go to the setting option and you will find a sticky menu option. Click on this. Now here you need to enter ID or class of the primary menu to make it sticky. We already have the primary menu which we have copied in the previous step. So you can just type dot and paste the menu and then click Save Changes. But before doing this, go back to the website and refresh this page. As you can see, I disabled the previous plugin. That's why sticky menu is not working. Now go back to your dashboard and click Save Changes. Now go back to your website and refresh this page. As you can see, sticky menu is working again. And remember, add hash before the ID name and dot before the class name. And you can also customize other setting as per your requirement in both the plugins. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching WP Pocket.